Hello YouTube, North Star Stacker here. Sorry I haven't been making any videos. I just been busy. And yeah, just life. But how about that? How about the metals up and down? I looked at it this morning. I looked at Kiko this morning and it was $71 silver Canadian. So that's crazy. And I got a order here. I ordered this from Global Bullion Suppliers in Toronto, Ontario, and this here, this knife is a Browning. I don't know too much about knives, but it's a really nice knife. Blah blah blah. No, Browning makes guns, but apparently they make knives. How's the weather all where you are? Here it's snowy. We got early winter here. Blistering hot winters and blistering hot summers and really early winters. Yeah, the price of silver and gold has been crazy. Gold went to $6,000 Canadian a couple of weeks ago. That was incredible. A lot of people were selling. They were backed up. Refiners were backed up. I heard one of the other main reasons why refiners were backed up is because getting nitric acid. There was a bit of a shortage of nitric acid to refine it, so that kind of backed things up. I got a half roll of lockers. Yes, sir. So 90% constitutional. It was really cheap at the time. And I like my constitutional. I love it. It's 90%. Canadian's only 80%. So here, I'm going to try and shut this light off. I don't think it's any good. Oops, sorry guys. I don't think it's working very well. It's a bit dark and gloomy here. So, or is that too bright? There we go. There we go. Yeah, these are, gotta love them. Walker's 1945. 1945. Got a 1934. These are in pretty good shape too. They're what do you all think? Ooh. 1945. I've seen better looking ones, but oh, there we go. 1945. 1935. But hey, you know, it's cheap silver, good silver, 1934. Constitutional, you can't go wrong with it. Whether you're in Canada or the US. Especially at these high prices. It's a smart move. But you gotta also be careful buying this. They may sometimes refuse to buy it from you. So you gotta be careful. 1943D. I'm just learning about American numismatics and that. I just ordered a book, the Big Red Book. I just ordered that from Amazon. It should be here soon. And I just ordered a Carlton Canadian 2026 Book of Coins. So I'm gonna read up on this stuff. It really interests me. 1943D. I don't know. Liberty. Still kind of see some lines on the dress. A bit. One there. I'm not a coin grader, far from it, but I just learn what I've been just watching off the YouTube, off the silver community on YouTube. There's some great people in there. That's it. S. 1941 S. 1942 no mint mark. They're a nice coin. I really like these coins. They're a nice big coin for a 50-cent piece. This one here is 1917. 1917. Is that it? That's an old coin. 1917. Oops, sorry guys. 1943. Yeah, so I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna start stacking some Constitutional now. It's just great stuff. This is the Canadian, 80% Canadian. 80% Canadian. It changed in 1967. Before 1967, in the early Canadian coinage, late 1800s to early 1900s was sterling silver was 925. Then they switched to 80%, and then they switched to 50%. But there was no way of knowing. They switched to 50% in the 60s, and I guess there's no way of knowing which ones are 50% and which ones are 80%, because they switched right in the middle of the year of doing it. So yeah, this one here is 1959. This is 80%. A lot of people frown on the Canadian stuff. It'd only be an 80%, but hey, it's ready, available here. I like it. I like the looks of some of it. And I like some of the older stuff from the 30s with the king on it, and he's got in the crown. You know, but yeah, got my first half roll of Walking Liberty half dollars, and I'm gonna order some more. I think I just ordered this small order. I just wanted to see what these people were like, and it was here 2 days. They had it here. Yeah. So yeah, and I haven't made a video. If you find me interesting and like to hear what I have to say, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll try and make more content. Try and make it interesting. there's a lot of really intelligent guys in the community, and they really set a high bar, you know. So I'll get thinking of something to keep you guys entertained. All right, this is North Star Stacker out. Everybody have a good day, and if you're out there driving in this snowy weather, drive safe. Take care. Bye.